Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my friend.
New skins, guys.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, and if we're bothering with your skins, we'll give a shout out to you. Just need to say that we are using your skins, and we'll give a shout out to you.
What?
Making these awesome skins for us.
What? No, it was for a lot of other people, Mrs. Okay.
We picked it, and I want to give a shout out to these amazing people.
Yeah, they really made a lot. So, guys, I don't even think I have
a lot of questions. I think you guys have earned it.
So guys, if you're wondering why we are premiering and stuff like that, we're getting ready for
We did. This is our first premiere.
yeah, guys. Yeah, we actually
and we
messed
still
up
haven't
a lot.
got a lot of subscribers.
Yeah, I have 5 right now. Also, subscribe to Ender Peak. Also, Midnight Flamingo. Yeah, she has like 2K. Guys, she has 2K. Like, and she just joined. She started her YouTube channel on July 2020, and she already has like 2K subscribers.
Oh, wait, what kind of video should she,
I don't know. She does like a lot of Minecraft videos like with her brother and friends. I don't know, but she's just lucky.
She's lucky. Your brother doesn't even talk to you.
Yeah.
And he doesn't talk. My brother doesn't talk to me either so much.
Oh my God, no!
He
literally knows you. Like he. Yeah, no, he talks to you. So we don't really have so much people in our group, like people like in our videos. So yeah, it's just
we're gonna soon open this to land so you guys can join.
Yeah, and you guys can be in our videos once we go popular.
Once we get 100 subscribers, we're going to open it to land. But if we don't, like, how did she reach 2K?
I don't know. She literally doesn't even post so much, and then so one time she got 1K, and then she stopped posting, and then the next one, when she posts like one video, she gets like 2K, like when she just waited, and then she like posted a video, and what? Like how?
But still, it's 2021.
Oh yeah, she does lots of gosh and stuff. That's like.
If she did it all by herself and she edited them,
yeah,
then I think she earned it because she does amazing ideas. So go subscribe to her.
Yeah, Midnight Flamingo. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Did they?
It's gonna be like an evolution of turtles.
So this is our world so far. So this is not actually our house. We actually built this.
You're creeping me out, turtles. Get me out of the turtle tank.
Okay, so guys, we have a hideout for BFFLs. Also for fans, BFFLs and fans. And you guys have to look around here. Where do you think is our thing? Okay. Our hideout. So
posting videos random times because literally we done the intro and then I forgot to record.
Yeah. So also subscribe to the channel.
Put you around our stuff.
Subscribe to friend's channel. At Gaming with Ashlyn, but I think she'll change it, right?
Yeah, I'll change it to Misa Cookie. Come on, come in.
Yeah, she also So we saw how much views and like we saw how much views we got for like our role play. So this is our actual hideout. We looked how much views we got for our Minecraft roleplay last time, and we got like 57 views. That's like the second.
That you did it.
I didn't do that.
You did.
Okay, so we're gonna just get ready for the roleplay, and show our rooms. So this is my room right now, and
That mysterious cave. It's bothering me. It doesn't look good with your outfit. I am sorry to complain, but this don't wear it. Just don't wear it. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Okay, Anam, look. Anam!
it's midnight. I hate calling you Anam. For some reason, you make a nickname.
Well, still, I love that nickname, so keep doing it. Okay,
No,
look at me,
guys, just call me Midnight.
Okay,
That's
midnight.
just a nickname.
Midnight.
Yeah. What are you doing? It's like so quiet. Yeah, this is my playroom. It's actually covered. Yeah, whatever. So this is the playroom, and this is actually, guys, no. This is.
Need a shortcut to the turtles.
Yep. Hey, turtles, welcome. I mean, you're not allowed. You're not allowed.
Actually, because then they can enjoy your pool while this pool.
Oh yeah, that's true, but I think they need sand, so I'll just cover it up like this. Oops. You guys don't.
Fine. Turtles.
I'll just leave it like this. They can come whenever, but I don't think they can live, so I'm just gonna cover it up like this.
And then,
Yeah, like that. But people can come in. So I think we gotta do. We're just gonna cover it up like this. Excuse me, ma'am. Get out of the way, ma'am. Thanks.
I'm sorry, but I destroyed that.
It's fine. I'll just make it again. Yeah. So we're just. Gonna put it back up. So yeah.
Yes, you can. Oh
Yeah,
wait.
room.
You have this.
Yeah, it's a kind of secret place, but I'm gonna expand
There's
it.
nothing to it, and you can't go back up. So
Yeah, if you're in survival, but you just fly.
nothing creative, you can get back up.
Mhm.
Okay, so you guys want to see my room? My room's all the way over here.
Hey, you lucky
Here's the
outside.
color of this.
Yep, this is.
Let me get some blue and some white.
Okay, so this is her
White.
chest of stuff, and then she has her bathroom. This is a shower, and this is the sink, and yeah, and that's what I was looking at over there. So yeah, and then we're just gonna click the button. I'm so quiet. So this is the.
Yeah, for some reason.
I know. So this is the lab. Please don't enter for your own risk. Yeah, I'm enter. Oh, you have to change this carpet too. It's red and black. So yeah, this is her lab, and when you go through, this is very naturey. I love it. I love it. She has like a little thing over here, which leads all the way up to the top. So yeah. Yeah.
What is it doing?
Oh, I know what to do.
Funny. So we can actually see the forecast right here.
Yeah.
But zombies can easily get in.
Yeah. So can you
Yeah,
move?
but they'll just be knocked up in here.
Yeah.
Like, literally locked up in here and they can't get out over here, so like...
Can I put these?
Why are you putting that?
That's seats to the campfire.
Sure, but it does take up some room, so you might want to put only 2.
Right here.
No, right here, one right here.
Oh, like a little bench? Hey, move.
Yeah.
A little bench. Right here. Yeah, that's nice.
There you go, that's cool.
Yeah, and then you can roast marshmallows. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, let's go roast some chicken. I'm just kidding. Over here, I don't know how to make anything, any brewing. I mean, I got the dust, and yeah.
Yeah, this is her computer, so I'm just gonna use it if you don't mind.
Also, use yours.
If you didn't see where mine is not in a secret place. But you just gotta look closely in my room. Do not,
I'm not done.
Yeah, hold on. So this is...
Destroy your computer, you lazy computer.
No. Don't destroy it.
Beat it all.
Oopsie.
Hey, come to my bathroom.
Sorry guys about that. I gotta put this back.
I'm showering, so don't come in.
Yeah, we won't.
Oh yeah, please don't come in the bathroom. I'm totally not jamming.
Yeah, so guys.
Uh-oh. What happened here? Now I'll just cover it up with cobblestone. Oh, it's fixed. And
Where did my... Oh. I need my shulker box. So we're gonna get ready.
again, I need to keep cobblestone in my hand.
We're gonna get ready for the other premiere. We're gonna do a role play in the next premiere, so you guys gotta go check it out. Yeah, we're gonna end the video, or I mean the premiere now. So, well, I mean that video.
So, bye, guys.
Yeah. Also watch out for the role play, which is gonna be happening in a few minutes.
It's going to be right
In a few minutes. In a few minutes. First, we gotta watch the premiere. So if you guys, So yeah, we're gonna watch the premiere, and then we're gonna do it. You guys have to wait like 10 minutes or 20 minutes because we might actually reset the role play. But yeah, you gotta go. I know that too. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And we're gonna be seeing you in like 20 minutes.
And don't say, OMG, the lights are so perfect. No, our lights are not perfect. We're still in 3rd grade.
Yeah, almost.
It's still
Also, guys, I'm not gonna be posting so much because for like 2 months. Yeah.
Why? I don't even know.
Actually, maybe like for like 1 month. I don't know.
That's
really know.
sad news.
So
because
yeah,
you barely ever
bye.
post.
Yeah.
The viewers are like,
bye-bye.
you really?
I said bye.
Somebody, the button. Who did it?
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Who did it?